Hi guys, do you know in 5 minutes you can actually unlock all Plotagon content and without getting your phone being rooted? To do this is quite simple. All you need to do is to follow my full instruction. So let me show you. Now as you can see right on the screen, you could notice that Plotagon content on this device is fully unlocked. The chain, accessories as a whole, including the wears, all of them are fully unlocked. Now, how can you have this as well? It's quite simple. All you need to do is to follow my instruction. Note, before you start following this instruction, note you are not hacking and your phone does not need to be rooted before you can have access to this. The first instruction is on this video, type your name and the country at which you are watching my video from. Screenshot that. Secondly, click on the like button, like this video, and if you're a returning user, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell icon as all. Screenshot that as well. The third one, go onto the description box of this video. You will see a link that will direct you straight to my DM. Else, your question might be, why am I not showing you on this place? Now, the major reason is because I actually want you to follow all the instructions that I will give you in the next video. So, what are you waiting for?